Hello, hello, hello. And I've got to say thank you. Thank you for all the people that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. You've made it possible for me to keep going, and I'm aiming for that 1,000 and above. Do you know with YouTube, that's when you get paid for the videos and different things that you post? Yes. Don't tell anybody, okay? I told you. So thank you. Those of you who are with me all the time, whether you're watching me sing on a music video or originals or those rough videos that I put out, oh my gosh, or tips for your voice. So I'm going to give you a tip right now for your voice. If you're speaking, if you're singing and you get dry in the mouth, you have to bite the tip of the tongue. It's true, it works. Okay, so now, thank you. I just wanted to make a quick video and say, love you, thank you. If you want to hear anything from me, let me know. Love your comments. And for those of you who are just watching this and haven't subscribed, oh my gosh, comments, subscribe. Woo! Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. Bye-bye.